Hello everyone, welcome back to my live trading session today. Hello Michelle, thank you for joining in time. Hello. Yes, I just turned on the audio. Hello, welcome back my friends, back to my live trading. And yeah, as you know that the unemployment claim data is just released just a few minutes ago. Okay, and the actual data is the same forecast one. So, and the market is not fluctuations, not too much fluctuation, and it's just have the reactions at the support, right? Okay, let me mark the support zone here. Four times had the reactions at the price zone 33 and 25. So I believe that this is quite a strong support zone at the moment. And as you can see on the chart that I draw some trend line and current resistance. Okay, and at the moment, according to 5-minute time frames, the candlesticks have the reaction with the EMA 89. Wow, thank you so much my friends, a lot of friends joining in my live trading session today. And today is Thursday, so we only have one last session tomorrow, right? Friday. Time flies so fast. Okay, so let me see what is going on at the moment and if there are any gifts for you. And my friends, yeah, if you join in my live trading sessions on last Tuesday, yeah, congratulations all of us. We already gained more than 200 pips, right? Yeah, and yesterday my day trading plan also gained the success. Yeah, also gained the success. I remember that around 150 pips according to my daily plan. So you can see on the chart that I showed you the signals from my day trading plan today and the summary numbers about my VIP signal groups. So if you want to maximize your profits, welcome to my VIP signal group that I have the many scalping signal for you to trade all the time. Okay, so now it's coming back to the support I draw on the chart. Let's see does it break or not. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we bet a bit about this support zone and okay, let's see. Okay, buy now everyone at the 22 to 23. Buy now. Okay, let me type the signal for you. Come on. Let's add an entry. There's still the support zone here, so we catch the. Okay, come on. It's running quite fast because we're in the US session. Okay. Come on. All right, 30 pips running. Yeah, as you know that we're in the New York session, so everything moves quickly. So yes, if we enter the entry zone at 22, yeah. Okay, so do you catch this signal? Wow, 28. Wow, 60 pips. 60 pips. Yeah, you see, Nova never let you down. Okay. So yeah, we have fun today in my live trading session again with the signal running 60 pips. Okay. Touch good. Let me mark this. Okay. Okay, let me revise the stop loss a bit. 16. Yeah, 16. Okay, you can close a part of this signal and hold for longer profits. Okay, if you missed, anyone missed route 1, you can enter route 2. Okay, route 2. Come on. Buy again. We need to react quickly. Okay, wait for the entry. Okay, I will make a bargain a bit for this route 2. Just make bargains. Sometimes we need to make bargains with the market, right? To make sure that our account is saved. And yeah, allowed me to delete this support zone here because it already broke. Okay, now so we have entry 22. We have entry 22 again. Come on. 10 pips is running. 10 pips. Okay, so officially, 21. So are you in? Remember to set the stop loss, everyone. And if you cannot manage the entries, too much entries, you can wait for the best entry zone, okay, for you to handle it quickly. Yeah, because I know that sometimes there are errors related to the internet, right, Wi-Fi or something like that, which cause the mistake for you to handle any trade. Yeah, so yeah, if you are not familiar with trading in New York session, you can consider to enter just a few entry. Okay, we're still at the entry zone, everyone, and just remember, set the stop loss for every entry. Okay. It was too fast, huh? Okay, so now you're still at the entry and you still have chance for this signal again. Okay. Okay, let's blow up the candle. Blowing up the candle. And okay, remember to follow the risk-reward ratio and follow your discipline to set the stop loss order. Besides, you need to be patient when the market run against to your analysis. Yeah, and now at the moment it's still around the entry zone. Okay, Medina, if you do not have the same point of view with me, okay, you can step aside and not enter this trade, not enter this signal. Okay. Okay, still at the entry zone, and remember to have the risk managed. risk management. Yeah, never bet all your capital in a trade. Yeah, so don't worry. Thank you, Harry. Thank you so much. Okay, so it's back to 22. Come on, blow it up. So anyone had a better entry zone? Like a 20, 33 and 20? Alright. Type me, can you tell me your entry so that we can have a little celebration together? Okay, 30 pips is running from the entry 20. Alright, and remember the spell. Yeah, the spell that close apart if you already gain profits from this scalping signal. Okay, because we are scalpers. We are scalpers, and yeah, 30 pips, 50 pips, yeah, it's okay for us to close apart. And sometimes, or you can set the break even to make sure that your profit is safe. Okay, is protected. Okay, so now it's coming back to entry 20. If you want to, if you missed the round 2, yeah, you can consider to enter small lot if you missed. But you know that sometimes I do not recommend it because it's already gained 30 pips. And yeah, if you really want to enter again, just enter a small lot. Yeah, very small lot, because it already have the reaction. Alright. Just try thing. Oh, yeah, you can try it with micro lots. Yeah. If you're not familiar to trade in New York sessions and you feel like your capitals is okay with your volume, your trading volume. Yeah. That is the most important lessons for any traders when we enter to this severe financial market in the world. Okay, and if you still have another part of this current signal, yeah, round 2, 20 to 22 entry zone, yeah, just hold it for longer profits. Okay, and the signals is already gained 30 pips. Yes, stop loss is so important. Yes, if you enter just as micro lot and there's not any pressure for you to trade, right? Your emotion totally different when you trade with micro lot and when you enter one lot, right? Totally different. And yeah, that is our psychology is the main key to lead to the victory when we're trading. That's why I always remind all of you about the risk management and capital management lessons. Okay, so now is to have the reactions at our entry zone. But you shouldn't enter again. Yeah, you shouldn't enter again if you missed. If you missed, you shouldn't enter again. No, yeah, I just replied. Yeah, you shouldn't enter again. Just wait for the better entry. Okay, because there are some levels of support, and if it's already break another step-by-step level, so we will have the signal around another levels. Okay, you see that is in the New York sessions, right? And the bullish momentum is kind of strong. Okay, right after some speak of Donald Trump president about the revising adjustment of the reciprocal tariffs, especially his policy to China. Yeah, and nowadays gold is keep on sell out. Gold is keep on selling out based on his announcement about the adjustment of reciprocal tariffs. Okay, friends, you can have the another signal. Okay, this is the last signal of the day. Wow. Okay, I'm afraid that if you can make this or not. Okay, we have another entry zone at 14 to 16. Oh, so quick, right? Just wait. Oh, if we missed, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay if we missed. You know, in New York sessions, yeah, we cannot manage too much things at the same time. Okay, guys, that yeah, the third signal today is by 16 to 14. Okay. Okay, we already have the entry zone 16. Everyone, I believe in this support zone. Yeah. Ooh, crazy. Wow, $200 profits today, just a few minutes, right? Congratulations. Crazy fact. Yeah, in the New York session. So even in the 1 minute time frames, you can see that the zone, yeah, the running zone, the price zone will kind of the spread is very large, right? This is 1 minute time frames. Okay, just open it to see the candlestick move quickly. All right. So tell me how many pips that we gained. Thursday 30, right? It just hit the entry 16. Okay, and already gained 30 pips from the entry 16. Okay, as a scalpers, we are capitalize the market movements, right? Even though it's the bullish trend, but we can have conditions from the support zone to have the scalping signal, the scalping buy signal. You can say that all these three signals today is all they are buy. Yeah. And yeah, there will be the resistance here at 23. Okay, so now it just have the little bit reaction with the EMA here, and now I'm opening the 1 minute time frames at the moment. Okay, once again it's coming back to our entry zone. Yeah, you can observe for the broader time frames to have the decisions about to have the identifications about the current trend. Okay, so now it's coming back to our entry zone, and let's see what is happening. Okay, 30 pips, and just close the part of the signal and hold for longer position. Okay, sometimes we shouldn't be so greedy. Yeah, it depends to our luck to hold for longer profits, right? Tuesday we have more than 100 pips victory. Yeah, but now in the scalping sessions like this, yeah, especially now is in the New York session, so even in the 1 minute time frame you can see that the right zone of each candlestick is up to 50 pips for each candlestick, right? So yeah, that is very important for us to set the stop loss order for any trades. Okay, so in 1 minute time frames all are below 3 EMA, right? Okay, so now we have the entry 14. Okay, yeah, there's still one last support here, 13. Yeah, reset it. Oh, okay, come on, blowing up. You can say that I just using the basic and technical analysis to have the profitable signals for you in my live trading session in my VIP signal group. Okay, and sometimes I combine with another technical analysis to have more scalping signals for you, right, to capitalize any movements of the market. And yeah, and besides I also have another signal group about currency pairs, right? As you can see, that's a Forex Platinum. And if you're fond of in trading the currency pairs only, you can prefer our Platinum VIP group. Yeah, as well. The difference between gold and currencies pair is the speed of active any signals, right? For gold, yeah, the market is volatility, right? Market's movement is volatile. But for the currency pair, it takes time for you to wait for the signal active, right? And yeah, it depends to your favorite, what type of trade you feel like interested in, and you can have choice. And in my community, on Telegram channel, I also upload the analysis post about Bitcoin. Yeah, that is another view for you to trade for crypto. Yes, and I just started recently, so if you want to give your comment, because that seems like the same. Yeah, the chart, they are all the same by just doing the technical analysis combined with fundamental analysis, right? Okay, so let's coming back. It just have a sideways here, so just observe the news released today. So as you can see that there's just unemployment claims, yeah, for today, and let me check what is going on tomorrow. All right, tomorrow Friday just have the orange news. Okay, so the market is kind of quiet tomorrow. Okay, oh, 5 minutes, nearly 5 minutes, we'll have the existing home sales, right? Actually, it's just the orange news, so sometimes I will not focus on them much like red news, right? And if you are beginners, this website is very useful for you to observe the important news in the whole week, yeah, especially non-farm payroll or GDP or CPI, yeah. Okay, so those news reflected the strength of the US economy and the inflation, right? Okay, and another important news is FOMC speak, right, about the interest rate, yeah, which show the strength of the US economy as well. Okay, so let's go back. Oh, just hit 17 once again, yeah. So are there in the entry 12? Anyone in the entry 12? Okay, how to trade news, right? I already prepared a short video I uploaded on my YouTube channel. So if you want to know how do I trade, yeah, you can watch that short video that I describe in detail for you to easily to understand. Okay, and actually I just start building my YouTube channel, so I'm very happy if you click to the like and subscribe button so that I have more energy, yeah, a lot of positive energy to build my YouTube channel better. And thank you very much. Don't forget to like my live trading session as well. And today's we gain more than 100 pips, so I would like to see your flying hearts and flowers. Okay, thank you so much. You know that sometimes the reaction stickers have a lot of meaningful, right? It helps you to have the joy in your daily life, and yeah, that is like a rocket, like the rocket, which it push my emotion better, right? Make it more positive. Okay, so it seems like sideways a bit at our entry zone. TP, for this one, yeah, as I shared you in the beginning of this live trading session, the TP for this signal I will put it open because it depends to your profit, to your demand, alright, to your satisfaction. So yeah, it depends. So now I will put you free. I will set you free in target profit for those scalping signal, right? Okay, let me check the bigger time frames to see what is the main trend. The letter is so closed so that I cannot watch it clearly. Okay, so now let's have the bullish reaction here at the zone 13, right? 13 or 12. Okay, oh, it's have a gap here, so that's why I do not recommend you to hold for long profits, because we just capitalize from the recover reactions of the market, right? For me, 30 pips, I will close apart and set the break even to hold for further position, for further profits. Okay, let me say that it will have any reactions, it will break down 13 or not. Okay, we're in 1 minute time frames to watch the candlestick move steadily. Okay, and once again, yeah, the bullish momentum is on the game, right? Wow, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. Yeah, it cannot break through 13 levels, right? Okay, so it's back to 16 again. Anyone in the entry 12 when it's coming back to 12? Anyone? No one? So where are you? I saw that more than 100 friends joining in my live trading session, but when we already gained 2 victories, now it's dropped. The viewer is dropped. I have a bit sad. A bit sadness. Okay, the viewers is dropped. And where are you? Are you still follow my session, my live session today? Okay, so now, yeah, 6 times had the bullish reactions at the end at the 13 level. Yeah, 33 and 13 level, and now, yeah, just moving the sideways, you know. Okay, let's see, will it break? Will it reach to further profit? Okay, 18. Oh, that's so good. Okay, 50 pips is running. Okay, thank you so much that let me know that you are still in my live trading session. And yeah, the market is kind of volatile after the economic data released, right? So now, after it reached to 18 levels and it's coming back to the entry zone again. You know that some professional traders in the world, the top trader in the world, they trade in 1 second time frame. Yeah, and their gesture is super fast because one second time frames, you know, and they enter a huge lot, more than 100 lot. more than 100 loss for each entry. So that's why for just a few pips, their balance changed steadily. Yeah, big discrepancy in their balance. Okay, so yeah, that is our true story about some professional traders that I met them when I joined in a competitions in Indonesia. Yeah, like how to say competitions about trading in Indonesia. That's the broker organized. Yeah, and yeah, that is a chance that I met a lot of professional traders in the world, and I learned from them their very special trading strategy, and their account is, very huge. Yeah, more than $10 million. Yeah, so they can use that way easily, but require the gesture super fast. Wow, it dropped quickly, right? Okay, 50 pips for fun, right? And today we have totally 3 signal, and yeah, gain more than 100 pips. 114. Okay, so if you close a part and the rest will already hit the stop loss, so that's just fine. Your capital is still remain, right? Your capital is still remain, and yeah, it's just lost a part of your profits. Your focus on the chart. Okay, so officially it's already break the 13 level after 6 times have the bullish reaction, right? Okay, let's observe. Let's see the previous signal. I forgot to delete. Okay, so I adjust a bit, coming back to the 1 hour time frame to identify the current trend of the market at the moment. Okay, so we'll fill the gap down here. You can see there's the gap here. It's up when yesterday it have a gap up, and now the markets it tend to fill in the gap, right? Looks like head and shoulder. Yeah. Yeah, that's how to say price movement patterns. And it's very familiar for you to identify it in the market. You can see there's the gap here, and that you can see that the bearish momentum is kind of strong at the moment, right? It dropped quickly, it dropped sharply at the moment, and in my point of view, that in the New York session it will fill this gap. Okay. The 1 hour candlestick, you can see that the bearish momentum is on the game. And at the moment, this candlestick is totally under 3 EMA, which indicates that the market is in bearish momentum, in downtrend. It's just start of the downtrend, but let's see this candlestick have the reaction. Okay, it seems like the bullish team is here, right? Around 13 to 11, and you can see that it's have a long wick at the moment, but we cannot have any conclusion at the moment because 49 minutes left, right? 49 minutes left, the candlestick close. So it's too early for us to have any conclusions at the moment about is fill the gap or not. Yeah, if this candlestick break this support area, yeah, the probability to fill this gap up is 100%. But now it's already in creating the long wick in this 1 hour time frame candlestick. So yeah, just wait and see. Okay, but back into the smaller time frame, we can capitalize the market movement to have the scalping signal, like 3 signal that I supplied you today. And yeah, I believe that we have a lot of fun, we have a lot of joy today in my live trading session. We gained more than 100 pips, right, for 3 scalping signal. Okay, so today is Thursday and tomorrow is Friday, and there's no crucial news, but always stay alert because there's a lot of risk on Friday to trade, right? Remember to follow the risk management lesson, okay, and keep your mind calm when do any trade, okay? Don't bet on your capital in one trade, right? We are traders and we are not gamblers, so discipline and respect our capital, okay? And I hope that you support my live trading today by click to the link and join in my free community on Telegram, okay? Also like my YouTube channel to receive more information about the markets for your trading journey, okay? And thank you so much for joining in my live trading session today, and see you next week. If you want to receive the daily plan frequently, welcome to my community on Telegram by clicking to the link that I put in the description box. Okay, see you next week. Thank you so much. Bye bye.